Hello and welcome to this very quick guide to folding electric bikes with Energize e-bikes. Let's look at some of our most popular models. This is the Whisper 806. It's very robustly built with a low step-through frame. You can even put a 700 watt-hour battery on there for miles and miles of electric cycling. It's a real customer favourite. Here's the Lite Plus with 20-inch wheels and a battery that's concealed within the seat post. It's very light for an electric bike as well, and it even has a cruise control function. This is a smaller version of the previous bike. It's the Lite. This would be good for train commuters. You can hop on at the end of your train journey and get to work super fast. This is the GoCycle TX with a concealed battery and chain, so there's no maintenance on those parts. And it has special geometry, which means it will fit most heights of rider. This is the Turn Vectron. It uses the Bosch system, so it's extremely strong uphill. The rack is meant to take lots and lots of cargo, and it's so strong that it can support the bike even when it's stored vertically. There's lots of reasons to like folding electric bikes. They're easy to store, of course. They're easy to transport. You can just stick them in the back of your car. They're really good value for money as well. The Lite is only $869. They're great for commuters. Just hop on board with your folding bike and speed away from the station once you get to the end. And you can secure them indoors to keep them away from thieves. One other thing as well is that if you need to share your bike with someone who's not so tall, they're the perfect solution. They're just as good at getting uphill as other electric bikes, and they're extremely fun to ride, so do give them a go. You can find out more about these bikes and more on the website energizeebikes.co.uk, or just search Energize e-bikes. You can compare these models with other types of electric bike as well, for example trekking, city, mountain and cargo bikes. If you've got a particular query, do get in touch. The numbers are on the screen, and we also have an email address. We look forward to hearing from you. Bye for now.